igama nguMpumelelo wakwaLaxa Sibongo. Ngihlala egama lakhe Qinabout. Bengine event ebengihlelile namhlanje i-boot camp where iqale ngo-6 ekseni. Into edala ukuthi like ngiqala into efana no-boot camp kanje. I-boot camp it's help abantu abanye abajima ema-town ukuthi abangakwazi ukuya khona but bakwazi ukufinyelela bazothola into right and nokubanika izinto eziba-challengeayo kakhulu especially emajimini because moya kuma-fitness gym uthola imishini kuphela kanti kwi-boot camp uthola konke kwenziwa konke uyabhotha uzothola ngesikhathi esiyi-1 uthola konke okudingayo okusiza kakhulu emzimbeni especially into ezifana no-military sessions. It's when umzimba wakho ukwazi ukubuildeka fast wenza ukuthi ugrowe futhi ngale ndlela oba right and no-eliminate izifo kakhulu.
Uphozi silapha eKendel kwi-boot camp that was organized by ubaba size apha ukuzololonga kubalulekile ukuthi uzilolonge and ukuzilolonga manithe oqala it's about focusing to yourself, forget about everything. Umnandi ngento yokuthi ukujima you relieve stress lana nokuthi ukuthi ngokuthi impilo yakho iba right ne-fitness iyona nto ibalulekile kwisikhathi esiphila kusona. Uyakwazi ukuthi ube nemali yonke ube nako konke kodwa mangabe impilo ingekho ufana nomuntu ongenalutho. So i-gym iguthi ngento yokuthi unakekele umzimba wakho inakekele ngisho nengqondo yakho iyakusiza socially. You meet people apha ejimini then you share everything nabantu ojima nabo as much as you are gaining i-fitness kusiza ngayo yonke indlela.
Iwekhatha namhlanje beyi-best kuma-squats nama-jumping squat kahle i-lower body but sithe attach kancane kwi-upper body because into ebalulekile ekujimini njengoba sikhuluma nge-military, i-military balance umzimba wonke. So i-upper body, lower body but bengihlukanisa ngama-session ayi-2. Session 1 bekuwama-jumping squat but sifocuse kwi-lower body kakhulu and then session 2 bekuyi-military lengishoyo ukubalance umzimba, ama-squats, ama-lunge but at the same time uphesa ama-weight. So beyisiza kakhulu in terms of ukuthi umzimba wakho ubalance ungahleli ufocusile kwindawo eyi-1.
Igama uNtuthuko kaMendu ngihlala khona la gama lakhe ngasetha Buthokoza. Iwekhatha namhlanje ibimnandi kakhulu. Ngingathanda ukuthi abantu abasha nabantu abadala ngoba ucoach seqale nabantu abadala batrainisa ukuthi bajime. Kubalekile ukujima ukuthi uhlezi uhealthy. It's not about impilo kuphela but it's about i-mentality yakhe umuntu ngoba mohle ekhaya ucabanga into eziningi kanye mosejimini nakathi ujima into eziningi ziyaphuma and uyakwazi futhi ukuthi uhlale nabantu kungabi khona into wrong ukwenqisana nabo nokudla into ezi-healthy ke kuyasiza kumnandi kakhulu.
I-workout yanamhlanje it was very good but ngithe xa wasele ndifika ezinsimbini ekulifteni ndabona ukuthi ake sendiyanqamuka apha. I enjoyed i-squat, I enjoyed ama-lunges but when it came to insimbi hayi ngivele ndaziva into yokuthi hayi ndiyafa kodwa lokho akukuko ukuthi kuphelile kufuneka into yokuthi ndiqhubeleke njalo. Siyabonga.
Ukuthi abantu abaningi bayathanda ukujima but bavela lapha but ekuqaleni kwami into ezikanje ngisiza bona ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi babe right. Not about ukubheka imali but it's all about ukusiza abantu because masibuka manje izinto abadla amaphilisi miningi kakhulu and uma ubheka ema-clinic baningi kakhulu abantu abagcwala khona but i-gym it's help kakhulu especially kumuntu othanda ukuba gulagulanyana yabo and iyasiza nokubuilda kumzimba. So I think ukuthi ukwenza into ezikanje abantu abangavilaphi abakhuthala beze phela bazothola kumnandi la kuyaphilwa and i-gym kahle kahle ikhipha into eningi emzimbeni, stress ucabanga kakhulu nje kuyaphela yabo because sometimes ungaguliswa ukuthi udla amaphilisi mhlawumbe uguliswa ukuthi noma izifo uguliswa ukuthi mhlawumbe sithi stress ucabanga kakhulu kanti i-gym uzothola abantu webhasi abahlukile abakhuluma language engafani neyakho but mase nihlangene nabo uzothola ama-ideas ukuthi unganqoba kanjani into ezenzeka empilweni ezithafa.
Igama lami ngiSibongile wakwaSiliya. Bomnandi kakhulu namhlanje ijim ebesiyenza. Ibimnandi kakhulu. Mina ngafika la nginesifo sashukela ne-BP. Bekhuphuka njalo mengeklinikhi nje benginenkinga. Kodwa nje emva kokuba ngingene coach yonke into ihamba kahle. Ngikhuthaza bonke nabadala nabancane sinakekele imizimba yethu ukuze sihlale siphila kahle.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguNana wakwaCwele. Ngiqhamuka ngale kaXaba. Namhlanje sifike la ukuzojima noSomnyama kwi-gym yakhe. I've got a post ngayibona izolo so ngathi angize ngizomsupporta namhlanje since ejimisa la kwi-local egama lakhe. Okuyinto esi-encourage kakhulu ukuthi wonke amakhono akhona kwi-community akwazi ukuthi ajime abe ney'ndawo la bajimisa khona. Sizosho ukuthi-ke namhlanje sibonga kakhulu ukuthi sibone ne-team yakhe sizomsupporta ngoba kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi o-coach bonke basupportane nanokuthi iyenza ukuthi lento sikwazi ukuthi ubone omunye mengabe khona into ayenzayo uyithathele uyoyenza ekhoneni la usuke ukhona nawe. Siyabonga kakhulu kuSomnyama ukuthi asinikezele ithuba lokuthi sizojima. It was fun. Bekumnandi kakhulu impela. Siyathemba ukuthi wonke labantu abakhona la emakhoneni coach ngubani ezansi nabo kuzofanele sibuye sihambe sobavakashela ukuze siba encourage babone ukuthi abantu akukho la ongangakwazi ukujima nabagijimayo bakhona emgaqweni nakhona you have to go there and support them. Siyenza ukuthi i-community iphile impilo yokujima nje bajime bazi ukuthi iyona ndlela efanele ngabe kuphilwa ngayo nje kwi-community.
I think mfethu ukuthi enye into ebalekile mfethu it's all about ukuthi mina as umuntu othanda ukuba i-personal trainer ngikwazi ukukhula ngigrowe. Kahle kahle abantu abajima ematown abaye ukukhokha ama-1000 abeze la kumina futhi ngizobanika lento le yabo thatha lento anamgosi so mfethu mina ngiyatholakala ngumuntu otholakalayo available umuntu nje ongidingayo ukuthi hayi mfethu mina angikwazi ukwenza isikhathi sokuthi siyaxoxa mayelana ukuthi akwazi ukuthola ngimsethele isikhathi sakhe ajime because bangisebenza ngabantu. It's all about umuntu udingani so mina bengibe available for yena. Ngitholakala kule number ethi 074 379 9461. La mosho coach uMpumelelo uthola mina. Uma ukuthi abamazi coach uMpumelelo bangazingeni kababa available mfethu hayi ngitholakala noma inini mfethu noma ngasikhathini nje. Especially mfethu abantu mfethu abeze kumina abanenkinga zokudawa abanenkinga mfethu zokuthi bayagula mfethu abeze nje.